Good morning, dear students. In previous lectures, we have seen what are the square numbers, properties of the square numbers, how to identify whether the given number is a perfect square or not, and so on. In today's lecture, we are going to see how to find non-perfect square between the given perfect square numbers. Or, as per the title of the textbook, we can say the numbers between square numbers. Now, here some numbers I have listed out for you. 1, that is 1 square. Then, sequentially, if we will see, it is 1, 2, 3, then 4. 4, it is 2 square. After 4, we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is 3 square. After 9, we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16, and 16 is 4 square. Now, you can see between 1 and 4, there are two non-perfect square numbers. It means that 2 and 3, these are the numbers which cannot be expressed as n square as per the definition of square numbers. Similarly, between 4 and 9, we are having 4 numbers which cannot be expressed as n square, and that are 5, 6, 7 and 8. Between 9 and 16, we are having 6 numbers which cannot be expressed as n squares, or in short, we can say that these are the non-perfect square numbers. That are 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And 16 is the perfect square, as we all know. So, we can say that between 1 square and 2 square, there are 2 non-perfect square numbers. Or we can say that 1 into 2, that is equal to 2. So we can summarize this definition as there are 2n non-perfect square numbers between the square of the numbers n and n plus 1. Now let us take an example. Suppose we are having 10 square and 11 square, and we want to find out how many non-perfect square numbers are there in between 10 square, that is 100, and 11 square, that is 121. Now, as per the definition, we are having n square is equal to 10 square, or n plus 1 square, that is 11 square. It means we are having n is equal to 10 and n plus 1 is equal to 11. As we know that there are 2n non-perfect squares between the given consecutive numbers, we have n is 10, therefore 2 into 10, that is equal to 20 non-perfect square numbers are there in between 10 square and 11 square. And you can easily rectify this because 11 square is 121 and 10 square is 100. So if you will find the difference, 121 minus 100, that is 21. But the 21st number is 121. Therefore, in between 100 and 121, that is in between 10 square and 11 square, we are having 20 numbers which are non-perfect square. Okay, now let's move to the next point, that is finding square by repeated addition of odd numbers. Children, this is very interesting method. Now, here again I have written the